Inception. If you can steal an idea from someone's mind, why can't you plant one there instead?
The subject's mind can always trace the genesis of the idea. True inspiration's impossible to fake.
It's not true. Can you do it?
If I were to do this, and if I even could do it, I'd need a guarantee. How do I know you can deliver?
You don't. But I can.
Let me ask you a question. You never really remember the beginning of a dream, do you? You always wind up right in the middle of what's going on.
I guess, yeah.
So how did we end up here? Think about it, Ariadne. How did you get here?
We're dreaming?